Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to turn your written tutorial into a video tutorial. The most important thing to remember is to stay loyal to the tutorial type. Let me give you an example. So let's say that you have written a tutorial that is step-by-step guide. Let's say that you have written a step-by-step guide on how to perform a sandwich attack and you want to turn it into a video tutorial. Well, the most important thing to do is to show the audience how to perform a sandwich attack as a step-by-step guide. You can't turn your step-by-step guide tutorial into a discussion-based tutorial when you are turning your written tutorial into a video tutorial. Or let's say that you have written a discussion-based tutorial about Pascal, the programming language, and you want to turn it into a video tutorial. Well, no one's gonna watch a video of you just talking to the webcam. You should enrich it with animations and transitions. If your tutorial consists of code, always show the audience the code. Because in the context of coding tutorials, the audience is gonna wanna see the code itself. All those things aside, be sure to take feedback from your viewers and experiment with different video tutorials. In the next videos, we're going to talk about CapCut, OBS, and Loom as a video editing or filming programs.